are laundromat customers, and I'm talking about the end user, what are they looking for today that they weren't maybe looking for even a few years ago?
I think it's multiple payment systems. If I had to say the number one thing that I hear talking to them is multiple payment systems. Obviously this was a cash business years ago. I think there's a lot of hybrids out there right now that are still coins. They offer some cashless payment systems. Some people are going to apps. You might see that in certain marketplaces. So I think that's the biggest thing that they're looking for. And then I think the store owner experience. How do they make it better? How do they use some of this technology to be able to also earn the price for the service that they're actually giving? I think that is one of the things that I'm hearing and talking to store owners about, and we've seen it, across the board, across the marketplace.
Sure.
So I think overall the basics are still between you and me, Bob. I think we still have to have a clean, a safe, and a friendly environment for customers to come in and do business with us.
Right. The basics aren't going away.
The basics aren't going away.
Right. That's why they're the basics.
That's why they're the basics. And, you build on that foundation, and that's what's been interesting when you think about all the new stores that are being built and even the remodels and the replacement of equipment and stuff. As we look at it, I know you're out in the field and you see it and I see it, and you're just amazed at some of the decor that I'm seeing in the stores, furniture, stations, the workstations, things like that, allowing people to come in and have private workstations, things like that, while they do their laundry. I mean, it's pretty exciting as far as I'm concerned, because, 20 years ago, we weren't thinking like that. And today we are, and we're, I think the store owners are pushing us as a manufacturer to provide better products with management systems and things like that to help them be successful.